Hello, everybody. Data is the new oil, and there is no better time to learn data science. I'm happy to announce the virtual workshop on statistical machine learning. This is a one-day workshop which will get you introduced to machine learning. I am Arun Paneppan, and I've been in the industry for a little over 23 years. I used to work at Amazon. I built the competitive pricing analytics platform for Amazon. We went on to crawl the competitor sites, identify the prices of the products, and we would decide whether or not to match the prices that we have collected. Given that price changes is a random event, we used Poisson distribution to model this. After my stint at Amazon, I worked at GoIbibo, where I built a natural language based chat platform. This is today used to answer customer service queries. I went on to start my own company called Techcovery. Techcovery pivoted into the business of corporate trainings and helping startups through mentoring. We have had over 1,400 participants who learned machine learning from Techcovery. We have also mentored multiple startups in the field of data science. In this course, we will make sure we introduce you to machine learning with a simple case study. We will then go on to talk about multiple algorithms and the math behind it. We will also ensure you get the necessary programming skills in order to develop in machine learning. We'll also talk to you about the production requirements for a machine learning project. In this course, we plan to touch upon three different algorithms, one in regression, one in classification, and one in clustering. You will get to collect data, pre-process data, identify features, fit a model, and understand why the model worked the way it worked. We will also visualize the data in the process. At the end, you will be able to take back a lot of working examples. We will start our case studies by first collecting data. Like in this case, we have collected data about our favorite stock. We will then identify the features. We will try to fit a model and we will try to make predictions. Once we do all of this, we will be able to visualize and see how the model has been able to do predictions. And if we are satisfied with the accuracy, we will also talk about how we can promote this model to production and what kind of tuning will be needed once the model goes to production. I am super excited on what is possible in this one day. I look forward to meeting you all there. Happy learning till then.